Do we climb this?
Yeah.
Where? There?
Yes, yes.
Oh, this is the turn, huh?
This is the most mystical place where you are right now.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. And the fall is coming, sunset. And
Wow. Huge rocks. venturing to the most mystical part of Popshingin. These are the magical stones. And oh, hippo shoots. This type of tea. This is this is something. Hippo shoots. This tea is quite very good for. This for tea?
Yeah.
What is the name
This
of this?
is hippo shoots.
Nice. I will keep for 2 of them.
Yeah.
Just in case. It's beautiful, it's soft.
Yeah. This is the home of snow leopard, ibexes and snow leopards. And now coming to the walnut. No. So river's moving. Oh, we just struck.
Not here?
I think the best way is to go from that side because that will be memorable trek.
Okay.
Yeah, it's because of some. Yeah. Yeah, the most hardest way, fetching some walnuts. See, guys, walnut season is on peak. Cool. Now we check it out for the climbing down from the hills. This is basically the home of ibexes that they come here in the winters, even in the summers too.
Is the water tunnel?
Yeah. This is a tunnel, yeah, where you can. So this is where you can see the shades of sun. By going down, yeah, we can go by this way now.
Which way?
We have to go over there and moving from here, yeah. Oh, Lavender Valley. Last. See. Yeah, just take care of.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, just move like this. and come by this way.
Here?
Yeah. Actually, the grass has been a lot of bushes here. Choosing difficult way. Getting down from the yeah, this is the way. Come on that angle. So mountains have no ways. You have to discover your own way every year because the landscape changes, bushes.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Yep.
This might be difficult. Going by this way.
You wanna go right or left?
I think this would be good.
Let's go.
This is the easiest way. This is the Marco Polo sheep, you know.
Ah, the Marco Polo ship.
Oh, Marco Polo sheep, no.
Ship.
Yeah. Ibexes, you know, mountain goats.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
No, yeah, this is,
I don't want to. Very long time when I in the road, you know.
yeah. So, in near coming 1 year, this is my plot now. My property begins from this tree. This is my personal private place.
We'll see
No.
what you have
Yeah.
next year.
Yeah, next year I'll have some wooden huts and autumn is on peak. Oh, this was the journey from the top to bottom here, and let's go, man. Check it out. This autumn, the fall, as you see, is the fall. Oh, cool. And the fall, and the fall. So this is the which site is very good for the wooden house?
Ah, because this one?
Yes, this is personal.
I would say the middle.
Middle. Oh,
Alright. I would say the middle.
cool.
In the center.
Oh,
It's flat. It has to be flat.
yeah.
That side or this one? This side. That would be good. Or yeah.
This one maybe?
Hmm.
Yeah, that one is a bit flatter.
Okay.
Careful there.
Last see you guys then at back to Stone Island.